Selina, what should we expect from NIO's second quarter earnings this week?
We're expecting them to report $369 million in losses in the second quarter, or what amounts to around $4 million a day. And that would bring NIO's accumulated losses to more than $5 billion since it was founded only in 2014. So to put that into perspective, Tesla, in its 15-year It took about 15 years for that company to rack up $5 billion in losses. It's been a very rough few months for this company. They've had to deal with layoffs. They're trying to reduce its workforce by about 14%. They've also been dealing with incidents like batteries catching on fire, which forced it to recall around 20% of its total cars that it ever sold. The company also had to scrap plans for a manufacturing plant in Shanghai after the government decided to lend its support to Tesla. But I did recently speak to William Li, the CEO and founder of the company, and he played down any concerns around the stock price and increasing pressure for the company to find funding. He said that they are expecting a big cash pile sometime soon from a Beijing-backed investment firm that could give the company as much as 10 billion yuan.
Tell me here, Selina, how does the pressure on NIO fit into the broader challenges that the electric vehicle market in China faces?
Well, the overall auto sector has been struggling, and up until recently, the electric vehicle market was actually a bright spot. But we did see total electric vehicle sales fall for the first time in July and then again in August. Part of that is because of the government rolling back some of those subsidies to new energy vehicles, partially to prevent a bubble from forming. Hundreds of EV startups have formed in China over the past several years, also to help this market mature. So part of NIO's struggles are coming from that overall sector problems, but they're also facing increasing competition domestically and internationally. Tesla plans to start production of their cars for the Chinese market in China later this year, and that means they'll be able to price their cars even lower, which is another harmful thing for NIO.